We're going to roll out from our office to Milwaukie Police Department. They ordered a couple new cases for their drones and another charger. So we're going to take those out and drop them off, do a quick check-in. They do a lot of training throughout the month, double check all their equipment, make sure if they have any questions, we can kind of go over a couple things with them. They've had a really good program that's grown over the last year, really. They've started with some basic Mavics, and they've actually gone up to like the M30Ts, which were a lot more capable for what they're doing for patrol use, search and rescue, crash reconstruction, stuff like that.
I'm Sergeant Mark Inman. I'm the UAS drone sergeant at the Milwaukie Police Department here in Milwaukie, Oregon. GenPac has really been a great resource for us. They actually have helped us build this from the ground up. We went to them with just questions about how to do a UAS program after seeing some of the other local agencies doing it, and they were just awesome. We started off with some smaller drones, sort of outgrew those, and they were just right there all the way along to help us understand what our needs were. They were here to let us try them out, get them out there and deploy them and see if they'd really work for us. So really just having them from the get-go, I think has got us launched in a way that we can be successful with the program. They can do all the training, the pilot training, the Federal Aviation Administration requires. They handle all that for us and can help coach us through things that we need to do as far as our policies, create a manual, and some best practices, standard operating procedures. So they've been really great to help us out with that.
It's not in our best, it's in no one's best interest to just ship them a drone and then hope they know how to fly it. So we include with all our sales a day of hands-on training so that people can feel comfortable, confident, and really know what the capabilities are with the drones they're getting.